Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to mine crypto wallet using a software. And the software we're gonna use is Awesome Miner. Just go to the Awesome Miner download page, or alternatively you can use this direct link to download the installer in the description. Run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Awesome Miner on your computer. Open it, and after installation, if the new miner window doesn't appear automatically, click the new miner button located at the top left corner of the window. Now, in the new miner window, select Managed Profit Miner and click Next. You can configure Managed Profit Miner like name, miner host, profit, switch in profile. Then click Next, then Finish. Go to Options in the top menu and select Profit Switch in if you want to switch it. Click Start from the top bar to begin mining. After a minute or so, you should see a console window and an Awesome Miner will report the total pay per day in the main window. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.